Australia, a land of diverse landscapes, unique wildlife, and ancient wonders. From the vibrant coral reefs teeming with life to the rugged outback sculpted over millennia, this island continent offers a glimpse into the raw beauty of the natural world. Join us now as we journey across this sun-kissed land, exploring 7 of Australia's most remarkable natural treasures. These are places of staggering beauty, where the power of nature is on full display. Prepare to be captivated by the sheer scale and diversity of these natural wonders, each with its own story to tell. This is Australia, a land of awe and inspiration. Our journey begins with a plunge into the turquoise depths of the Coral Sea, home to the largest coral reef system on Earth, the Great Barrier Reef. This intricate tapestry of coral, stretching over 2,300 kilometers, is so vast that it can be seen from space. Beneath the surface, a kaleidoscope of color awaits. Over 1,500 species of fish, from the brightly colored parrotfish to the graceful manta ray, call this reef home. Sea turtles glide through the coral gardens, while sharks patrol the deeper waters. The Great Barrier Reef is a delicate ecosystem, a vibrant testament to the power of nature's artistry. But this underwater paradise faces challenges, reminding us of the importance of conservation and the need to protect this global treasure for generations to come. For those seeking adventure, the Great Barrier Reef offers unparalleled opportunities to explore its underwater wonders. Dive into the crystal-clear waters and come face-to-face with the reef's diverse inhabitants. The city of Cairns, nestled along the Queensland coast, serves as the perfect gateway to this underwater paradise. Here, experienced divers and curious beginners alike can embark on unforgettable excursions. Further south, the Whitsunday Islands beckon with their secluded beaches and sheltered bays. Sail among these idyllic islands, drop anchor and snorkel in the warm, inviting waters. The Great Barrier Reef awaits, promising an experience that will stay with you long after you return to the surface. Leaving the coast behind, we venture inland to a place where time seems to stand still. Here, cloaked in emerald green, lies the Daintree Rainforest, a living relic of a prehistoric world. This ancient rainforest, estimated to be over 180 million years old, is a haven for biodiversity. Towering trees draped in vines form a dense canopy overhead, filtering the sunlight that reaches the forest floor. The air hums with the sounds of life, the calls of exotic birds, the rustling of unseen creatures in the undergrowth, the gentle trickle of water over moss-covered rocks. This is a place where the past and present intertwine, a living testament to the enduring power of nature. The Daintree Rainforest is a sanctuary for an astonishing array of wildlife, some found nowhere else on Earth. The vibrant blue Ulysses butterfly flits through the undergrowth, while the elusive cassowary, a flightless bird with a distinctive casque, stalks the forest floor. In the cool waters of Mossman Gorge, a sacred site for the indigenous Kuku-Yalanji people, you might catch a glimpse of a saltwater crocodile lurking beneath the surface. These ancient reptiles are a powerful reminder of the raw beauty and inherent dangers of this ancient rainforest. But the Daintree is not just a place to observe wildlife. It's a place to immerse yourself in nature's embrace. Hike through its ancient trails, swim in its cool, refreshing waters, and feel the pulse of life that resonates through this remarkable ecosystem. Kakadu, formerly known as Fraser Island. This magnificent island, just a stone's throw from the bustling coast of Queensland, is a testament to the sheer power of nature. Stretching over 120 kilometers, it stands as the largest sand island on Earth. But Kakadu is far more than just a beach. It is a symphony of diverse ecosystems, a place where towering rainforests rise from the sand, defying the very notion of what an island should be. Hidden amongst the dunes lie freshwater lakes, their waters so pure they shimmer like jewels under the Australian sun. Lake Mackenzie, perhaps the most famous of them all, is a vision of paradise. Its pristine white silica sands, formed over millennia, provide a startling contrast to the lake's brilliant blue waters. It's a place where visitors can truly connect with the raw beauty of the natural world. This island is a haven for an astonishing array of wildlife. Dingoes, Australia's wild dogs, roam the beaches and forests, their ancient lineage a reminder of the island's long history. Humpback whales, on their annual migration, use the waters off Kakadu as a breeding ground, their haunting songs echoing across the waves. The island's interior, a labyrinth of rainforest trails and hidden creeks, provides shelter for countless species of birds, reptiles and insects. Kakadu is a place of constant discovery, where each turn reveals a new wonder, a new testament to the resilience and diversity of life on Earth. Deep in the heart of Australia lies an extraordinary landmark, a symbol of the continent's ancient past. Uluru, also known as Ayers Rock, stands as a solitary giant in the vast expanse of the Northern Territory. This sandstone monolith, rising 348 meters above the desert floor, has borne witness to the passage of time for millennia. Its surface, weathered by wind and rain, glows a fiery red under the desert sun. For the Anangu people, the traditional custodians of Uluru, this is a place of immense spiritual significance. It is here, amongst the caves and crevices of the rock, that their ancestors lived and thrived for thousands of years. The stories of their creation are etched into the very fabric of Uluru, passed down through generations in songs, dances and ceremonies. The Anangu believe that Uluru is a living being, its very form imbued with the spirits of their ancestors. It is a place of deep connection to their culture and heritage. The rock art found in caves around the base of Uluru provides a glimpse into the rich history of this sacred site. These ancient paintings, depicting animals, spirits and stories, offer a tangible link to the past. Visitors to Uluru are encouraged to approach this site with respect and understanding. To walk around its base is to embark on a journey of cultural immersion. It is a chance to learn about the Anangu people, their traditions and their enduring connection to this remarkable landscape. In the tropical north of Australia lies a vast wilderness, a place where time seems to stand still. Kakadu National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a testament to the raw beauty and biodiversity of the Australian continent. Covering an area almost half the size of Switzerland, Kakadu is a land of dramatic contrasts. Rugged escarpments, their sandstone cliffs carved by millennia of erosion, rise sharply from the surrounding plains. Waterfalls cascade over these cliffs, creating emerald green plunge pools below, a welcome respite from the tropical heat. Floodplains, transformed by the annual monsoon rains, teem with life. This ancient landscape has been home to Aboriginal people for over 65,000 years, making it one of the oldest living cultures on Earth. Their presence is etched into the very fabric of Kakadu. Kakadu's wetlands are a haven for an astonishing array of wildlife. Saltwater crocodiles, the apex predators of this watery realm, lurk beneath the surface, their prehistoric lineage evident in their powerful frames. Thousands of migratory birds flock to Kakadu's wetlands, their vibrant plumage adding splashes of colour to the landscape. From the vibrant azure kingfisher to the majestic white-bellied sea eagle, the skies above Kakadu are alive with activity. But it is the rock art of Kakadu that truly sets it apart. Scattered throughout the park, in caves and rock shelters, are paintings that date back thousands of years. These intricate works of art provide a fascinating glimpse into the lives and beliefs of the Aboriginal people who have called this land home for generations. They tell stories of creation, of the spirits that inhabit the land, and of the animals that share this remarkable ecosystem. And now we journey to the southeastern coast of Australia, a land sculpted by the relentless power of the Southern Ocean. Here, where the waves crash against the limestone cliffs with unrestrained fury, we find a testament to the erosive power of nature, the 12 Apostles. These towering limestone stacks, once part of the mainland, now stand as sentinels, braving the elements just off the shore. Their presence hints at the immense timescale over which they were carved, a process that began millions of years ago. Each apostle, a solitary monolith, bears witness to the ceaseless cycle of erosion. The relentless pounding of the waves gradually erodes the base of the cliffs, creating caves that over millennia widen into arches. Finally, when the weight becomes too great, the arches collapse, leaving behind these isolated towers of rock. The 12 Apostles, however, are not merely geological formations, they are a testament to the ephemeral nature of our planet. For as we marvel at their grandeur, we must remember that the same forces that created them will one day claim them too, swallowed once more by the relentless ocean. The name 12 Apostles is in truth a misnomer. Only 7 of these majestic stacks remain, a stark reminder of the transient nature of even the most imposing geological formations. In 2005, one of the Apostles succumbed to the relentless onslaught of the waves, collapsing into the sea in a cloud of dust and spray. Its demise served as a poignant reminder of the powerful forces that continue to shape this dramatic coastline. Despite their dwindling number, the remaining Apostles still inspire awe and wonder. Their imposing silhouettes, silhouetted against the setting sun, paint a scene of breathtaking beauty, a testament to the raw power and artistry of nature. To truly appreciate the scale and grandeur of these natural wonders, one must witness them firsthand. A journey along the Great Ocean Road, a winding coastal route that hugs the cliffs, offers breathtaking views of the Apostles and the dramatic coastline they adorn. Our journey now takes us south to the island state of Tasmania, where a landscape of rugged beauty awaits. Here, amidst ancient rainforests and glacial lakes, lies Cradle Mountain, a peak that has captured the imaginations of adventurers and nature lovers alike. Rising dramatically from the shores of Dove Lake, Cradle Mountain is a symphony in dolomite, its jagged peaks sculpted by millennia of glacial activity. Its slopes, cloaked in emerald green forests, rise to meet a sky often crisscrossed by wisps of cloud, creating an atmosphere of ethereal beauty. Cradle Mountain is a place of dramatic contrasts, its mood shifting with the seasons. In winter, a blanket of snow transforms the landscape into a pristine wonderland, its peaks glistening under a crisp blue sky. Spring brings with it an explosion of colour as wildflowers carpet the alpine meadows, their vibrant hues a stark contrast to the dark, brooding peaks above. It is a time of renewal when the mountain awakens from its winter slumber. But Cradle Mountain is more than just a pretty picture. It is a sanctuary for a remarkable array of wildlife, many of which are unique to this island state. Wombats, those rotund marsupials, can be seen grazing in the alpine meadows, while pademelons, their smaller relatives, dart through the undergrowth. Echidnas, with their spiky coats and long snouts, forage for ants and termites amongst the leaf litter. The Tasmanian devil, a creature once found throughout mainland Australia, now makes its home only in Tasmania. These nocturnal carnivores, with their powerful jaws and blood-curdling screeches, play a vital role in the ecosystem, scavenging on carrion and keeping populations of other animals in check. Whether you choose to challenge yourself with the grueling 6-day overland track, a trek that winds its way through some of the park's most spectacular scenery, or simply opt for a gentle stroll along Dove Lake, Cradle Mountain is sure to leave a lasting impression. From the vibrant coral cities beneath the waves to the ancient rainforests and towering sandstone monoliths, Australia's natural wonders never cease to amaze. Each destination we've explored, a testament to the Earth's boundless capacity for beauty and wonder. The Great Barrier Reef, a kaleidoscope of colour and life. The Daintree Rainforest, where time seems to stand still. Uluru, a sacred monolith rising from the heart of the outback. Kakadu National Park, A land of ancient rock art and teeming wildlife, the 12 apostles standing defiant against the relentless ocean, and Cradle Mountain, a symphony in dolerite and wildflowers. Which of these extraordinary destinations will you choose to explore? The choice, as they say, is yours. But one thing is for certain, Australia's natural wonders will leave you breathless. Did you know that Australia is home to 16 UNESCO World Heritage Natural Wonders in total? Treasures like the Gondwana rainforests, where ancient ferns and towering trees evoke a prehistoric past, and the Blue Mountains, with their iconic sandstone cliffs and eucalyptus-scented air, await those eager to delve deeper into this land of natural wonders. In Australia, the adventure never ends.